Why were Bosnia's fans so deeply connected to the Palestinian cause? Assalamu alaikum, Muslim friends of the world. The streets of Toronto were already overflowing with football fans from every corner of the world. Hours before kickoff, thousands of supporters wearing the blue and yellow colors of Bosnia and Herzegovina filled the city with songs, flags, and unforgettable energy. It looked like another exciting World Cup celebration, until something extraordinary happened. Without warning, hundreds of Bosnian supporters began chanting in unison, "Free Palestine! Free Palestine!"
Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine!
The powerful chants echoed through downtown Toronto, catching the attention of tourists, local residents, and football fans from dozens of countries. Smartphones immediately rose into the air as countless people recorded the emotional moment. Within minutes, videos spread rapidly across social media, reaching millions of viewers worldwide.